Building the mid-engine GTM supercar was a mission that Factory 5 Racing simply had to complete. FFR, however, was ready for a new challenge and a completely new flagship performer 15 years after its founding. While developing a new supercar from the ground up is amazing enough, FFR also went back to the drawing board with its design methodology, switching to a digital prototyping approach. The new front mid-engine two-seater, dubbed the F9 after Factory 5's ninth design, makes a dramatic statement with fresh lines that recall the Lexus LFA, Shelby GR-1, and 6th-generation Ford Mustang. I'd even bet that a hint of the contemporary Ford GT was incorporated into the front fender design. The F9 body will be made entirely of carbon fiber composite, and FFR claims it will be supplied in clear coat with no paint or bodywork required. Wouldn't that be a landslide victory? Well, stick around because we're going to be talking more about this, the Factory 5 F9 updates in 2022 today. But first, if you'd like to see more videos like this one, and welcome more updates on your favorite car brand or the auto world in general, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because we constantly bring you more of the most current information about modern-day cars. Let's get right into it. Like the majority of its models, Factory 5 intends to offer the car in both street and race forms, and these renderings show a number of track-oriented components, like a big wing and front bumper cover, to name a few. You'll notice right away the front mid-engine layout is a departure from the mid-engine GTM, and Factory 5 had excellent cause for it. They recognized that the transaxle posed numerous challenges in the development of the GTM and made it a project goal to meet and exceed the GTM's unusual nature on a front-engine platform. The project's other purpose was to entirely rethink the prototyping process using modern approaches. FFR President Dave Smith states, "We intended to transfer our mold process from handmade molds to CAD-derived files that went straight to molds and tools. We're not there yet, but thanks to this effort, we've made significant progress." FFR experimented with a design named the GTF along the way to the F9 idea, which was created within the same restrictions. Factory 5 eventually abandoned the concept, but it did create a prototype body with a 7-axis milling machine, a significant step toward automating the prototype process. We expect the same method to be utilized to create a mold plug for the F9 body. FFR needed a new front-engine chassis before a single prototype panel could be mounted, and the F9 roller we saw at the SEMA show seemed to be up to the challenge. The new chassis includes considerable bracing in the roll structure, presumably without restricting access through the doors, in addition to ample triangulation on the front and rear portions. The wide engine bay, which can handle nearly any powertrain, from small block Fords to Ford modulars and LS engines, is perhaps the most striking feature. FFR's prototype chassis was equipped with a 750 horsepower, 9.5-liter V12 LS engine to emphasize the point. On paper and in renderings, the new F9 looks terrific, and FFR anticipates the car to be under 2,400 pounds with a 104-inch wheelbase. The 46-inch roof height and 78-inch body width, 3 inches bigger than the existing Mustang, are also impressive. Factory 5 has said in its press release that the F9 is still only a concept at this time. Body delivery and evaluation, prototype testing, and final feasibility and pricing will determine if it goes into full production in this configuration. Well, considering Factory 5's most recent update on this car, we know functional testing, track testing, and wind tunnel testing were all completed on the F9 prototype. By means of the same article, they unveiled some other specs of the prototype. The details go thus: Factory 5 Racing has been working on an all-new concept with Phil Frank, creator of the Celine S7, that we call the F9. We already hold trademarks on the F9, F9R, and F9E, which protect the car's name in all 3 incarnations. Factory 5 is pleased to inform that the trademarks have been registered and design patents have been obtained, protecting the shape of the car. Over the course of 3 years, the F9 design was fully drawn in CAD, followed by scale model manufacture and full-scale output. Factory 5's latest prototype car is in-house and was supposed to debut at SEMA in 2021, but that date has been pushed back. Eric Treves, a custom builder from Alabama, put the prototype together at his shop. A 9.5 LLS engine in a V12 arrangement powers the running/driving automobile. Over Factory 5's signature tubular steel spaceframe, the body is made entirely of carbon fiber. To boost aerodynamics and aesthetics, the design team is making minor adjustments to the car's front end, and the expected production date is 2022. That is basically all Factory 5 has revealed so far, and since they're yet to fix an official date for the production, the pricing is as well up in the air. If you found this information useful and would like to keep getting updates on the F9 hypercar, make sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.